How to remix Reels on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram application and then go to a post that you want to remix in the Reel. The post can be your own post or any other user's post, as long as it only consists of one video or one photo. Once you've chosen what you want, just tap on the three dots icon here and then hit on Remix. This will prompt the Reel recording screen with the post you want to remix next to your camera view. Now on the left side, you will see the tools that you can access to customize your Reel. The customization ranges from the music's effect, playback speed, duration, layout, and many more. You can also choose a photo or video existing in your camera roll. To do this, just tap on the photo on the bottom part. This will open your camera roll. And if you want to record a new video, just hold on the shutter button to record. After you've personalized your reel, you can just upload them normally. So that is how to remix reels on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.